So we're here in the upstairs plant room where we've got our newly installed domestic hot water equipment, which is being designed to run with the air source heat pumps externally. We've got new low temperature hot water equipment, pipework, which runs from the compound outside, feeds the domestic hot water plate at a 60-50 flow and return, which charges domestic hot water from 10 degrees up to 55 degrees, or even higher, around about 58 due to plate losses. Because of this, we then have our inline boiler, which is here, which then charges it from that 55 to 58 to 60 degrees, which then flows through to your cylinders. The reason why we've got two cylinders here is a little bit different to our normal gas-fired calorifier that you'll see. The reason is we've got one hot cylinder which is continuously stored at 60 degrees. This overcomes domestic hot water return losses, which are continuously 24 hours running a day, which means you get your 50 degrees within your taps within the 60 seconds that's required. But also what we do is we use a second cylinder, which is a stratification cylinder. This then waits for the cylinder to be depleted to allow a usage of cold water to be able to go onto that plate to be able to give you your 50-degree return for domestic hot water. So what this then does is then, instead of having your heat pumps or your low temperature hot water system continuously